Hi, it's Tally from Bravo, and today I'm going to walk you through how to modify commission associates. Note this is a same-day solution for associates who shared in a sale but were not included in the transaction. Let's dive in. From the bottom right of the dashboard, select Void View Transactions. Select Find Transactions if you have the transaction number located on the receipt. If not, narrow the search using the criteria found here on the left, or just highlight the transaction from within the grid and double-click or select View. Now highlight the item and choose Next. You can add another associate and/or delete the one listed in the Commission Associate box here. Select Change Commission Associate and right-click to pull up the list of employees. Select the employees to be added, in this case Chris Rapps, and repeat this step to add any additional commissioned associates. If someone needs to be deleted, then just select the red X next to their name. Choose OK when done, and a confirmation window will appear stating the transaction will be modified when Save is selected. You're going to select OK. Now save. On the Void View Transactions, a new line will appear showing that the transaction was modified. That's it. For additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.